I just wanna ball making plays.
Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. Today's video, I'm just going to share with you guys really quickly some of the items that I recently got off of Temu. The reason why I'm sharing these with you guys is because if you download the app, you are known to get some free items if you just make like a minimal purchase, right? So this video is sponsored by Temu because they sent over some free items with me purchasing some of these items. So you guys can use my code that's listed here. So I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys the items that I got. And then there might be another video after that. So Temu has a lot of great items. And recently I have been trying to purchase things here and there for vacation, right? But so with that being said, in the first package that I got, I ordered a 2-pack of the waterproof bags. So these can fit, honestly, probably any iPhone, as they're like on the larger side. It's the best choice for taking photos outdoors and beaches, swimming pools, and shallow water. You'll keep your phone away from dust, water, frost, snow, rain, sand, etc. But these come in the color black and pink. I will have all of the links listed in my description box down below. So in the next package that I got, I ended up getting this blue romper. This is in the size extra large. So I will show you guys what it looks like and then just post a picture of me actually in it. So this is just a simple romper that crisscrosses in the back. Or actually, I thought that it did. Okay, it does. So it crisscrosses in the back and it gives a lot of room for like the back. And then you have the short part. Like I said, it's a romper. So in the front, there is like a little slit right there that goes kind of like underneath your top area, but above your belly button. So like I said, I'll have the picture here of what it looks like on me. In the next package, what I got is as following. Y'all, when you order from Temu, you never have any idea what's going to come in and when it's going to come in, because you have to literally sit and wait. But what I'm saying is, if you put a huge order in, then, you know, whatever you order first might not come first. It might come with something else. It just depends on the shipping. So next in this bag, it says Shining Eye. This is simply purple and blue. I think that this is a pair of sunglasses that I was looking at. So this is the part that was free. So I was looking at some sunglasses for vacation. So here's one of them. You just simply take it out. This is the blue one, and you just take that off, and then you just have to take it out of the packaging. So as you guys can see here, it's blue. And these are the ones that you can put on and you can see yourself or whatever it is in front of you while you are doing whatever you do. So I really like these. They are amazing because honestly, when I wear other sunglasses, I can't see nothing. But when I put these on, baby, these are cute. And with that being said, I also have the purple pair or the pink pair, whichever one you want to label it as. So like I said, it comes as a 2-pack. So I did that so that I can have a pair, Chuck can have a pair. But like I said, you can literally see yourself in these glasses. So yeah, a 2-pack of glasses for the price of one. Definitely can't beat that. They're very cute and they're easy to store back in the bag. Also to store back in the box until it is actually that time for us to go. So just putting it to the side. Next in the bag, I simply have, I'm just trying to find something to grab. All right, so next in the bag, I have a Heyyyy shirt. Like I said, when you order things, you can't expect them all to come in the way that you want them to come in. So this is just a random haul. So I got the Heyyyy shirt. I got this in an extra large, and you know that, like, I wanted to shrink. So I normally wear a size large now. And so I got this because on Fridays, I get tired of wearing clothes to work. So I bought this shirt as something cute and simple that I can put on and wear on Fridays, along with some Heyyyy earrings. So you guys can see me in the shirt here. Next down in the bag, I have a Mardi Gras shirt that I ordered. Like I said before, use that code down in my description box, not yours, mine, to order some of these items using the code that is here on the screen. So I got a Mardi Gras shirt. I like the mustard yellow, and then I like the design of the shirt. It's really, really adorable. Like I said, with Mardi Gras coming up, I can easily, you know, wear it with a lot of different accessories. So I did order a bunch of Mardi Gras earrings and shirts just so that I can have them at all times. So with that shirt, you guys can see that here. The next Mardi Gras shirt that I got, I picked up in a size extra large as well. And this one just has the lobsters on it and it says Mardi Gras. And then, like I said, this one's in a extra large because I want room. But I also want room for when the shirts sometimes, you know, shrink up. So if you're interested in that shirt, it's here. Also down in here, I have a watch band cover, as I'm always into finding new watch band covers. It's just like always something with these watch bands. I buy, you know, like all these different ones, and then they end up like having like the stuff coming off of them, or they break. So this one right here is just a silicone one where you put it in and your pieces right here are gonna go inside of it like this. And I'll show you guys what it looks like here on me. As like I said, it's a really great little rose red, spell, mallard green, and yellow watch band for a 38mm. Also down in here, I have another Mardi Gras shirt. Like I said, when you order things, you don't know what's coming when. So this one is an extra large as well. And this one has different words on it. It says New Orleans, Mardi Gras, King Cake, Crawfish, Fat Tuesday, Bourbon Street Parade, Carnival Time, and it's in the Louisiana state shape. So like I said, extra large. And I'm loving the fact that I chose white, because otherwise I wouldn't have been able to see the purple, the yellow, and the green. So you guys can see that shirt on me here. Last in this bag is a dress that I got possibly to wear on vacation, because I don't think that I would be wearing it to work. So I got this in a size extra large as well. And you guys can see like at the bottom, it has like those ruffles or whatever. And then the top part is what is confusing to me, but I thought that it'd be pretty. So the top part is plain and simple, like, ooh, okay. So the top part is like this, and it is crisscross in the back. And I'll just have to show you guys the crisscross in the back by trying it on right here for you guys, as this is a really pretty dress. I'm loving like the color. I like the back part, how it crisscrosses. I like the fact that you can like twirl this dress around. Like I said, I am loving the color and would love to wear it on vacation. But if not, then you know what? You know, it is what it is. So that was my really quick first Temu haul. The rest of it will come trickling in. If you enjoyed watching this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and also look down below for the code and the link down in my description box so that you can order some things off of Temu for yourself.